everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a menu on Canva apps. Now let's get started. If you open your restaurant and you don't have a menu, if you wanna make a menu on Canva apps, it's so pretty simple. So you just open your Canva apps, and after this you can click on a box white search icon, this one, and after this you can click on you can write the menu like this. Okay, and please waiting. And after this you can see many template for the menus for your restaurants. You can choose the template that you like. Maybe I wanna try to add this one, so you just click sorry, I wanna try to this one, so you just click on it. And in here you can change the text or the picture. It's simple. So if you wanna change the picture, so you just click on the picture and click on replies, this one. And in here you can add the photo that you wanted to add. Maybe this one. And in here you can change the text like this. Just you can just click on the text like this, and after this you can change the text. Maybe menu my restaurants like this. And after this, if you wanna has been down to change this menu, after this you can click check icon, this one, and click on download. I'm finished. So that's how to make a menu on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.